Greetings from tomorrow's explorers. With the groundbreaking 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, be ready to enjoy the freedom of the wide road. This RV, which is expertly created for every trip, is more than simply a vehicle. It is a statement about life. Every facet of Chevrolet's distinct strength and flair is on exhibit, from its sleek, contemporary design with aerodynamic features intended to reduce wind and increase efficiency to its adjustable LED headlights that shine at night. For these RVs, a number of sturdy chassis options are available, including as the Chevrolet Express van base and the modified Silverado HD. A range of robust and dependable engines power them. With its amazing power and towing capacity, the well-known Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine guarantees a pleasant ride on any terrain. In contrast, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine offers exceptional performance and fuel economy for reasonably priced transportation. You are immediately struck by how elegant and driver-focused the dashboard is. All the relevant information is at your fingertips thanks to a huge infotainment touchscreen that doubles as the control center and a digital instrument panel that can be customized. You won't get lost thanks to wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and built-in navigation. For extended trips, the ergonomic dashboard design with premium materials, brushed chrome accents, and gentle ambient lighting creates a contemporary and cozy cockpit. The main cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome strikes the ideal mix between practicality and flair. The motorized slide-out adds even more living space to the spacious and light interior while parked. In addition to providing breathtaking views of your surroundings, large windows with creative curtains let in natural light. The ideal lounge space for entertaining or unwinding is created with a plush leather sofa and movable captain's chairs. Substitutes for long-lasting luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring provide coziness and simplicity of care. After a day of exploring, the bedroom space is supposed to be a peaceful haven. A good mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed are essential for a good night's sleep. There are side tables with separate reading lamps and USB charging jacks on either side of the bed. The interior is kept neat with built-in closets and roomy drawers that offer plenty of room for keeping all of your necessities. A serene ambience is created by soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that luxurious travel doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort. A porcelain toilet, a large walk-in shower with sufficient water pressure, and a contemporary sink with high-end faucets are all characteristics of the tastefully designed bathroom. Convenience is offered with a huge mirror with built-in lighting and creative toiletry storage. It feels clean and hygienic because to high-quality, easily cleaned materials. Every camper's main attraction is the kitchen, and the 2026 Chevrolet camper is no different. With its large solid-surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer, this kitchen is ideal for serious chefs. Even while cooking outside, meal preparation is made simple and enjoyable with a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and lots of storage space in the cabinets and drawers.